So you can see I'm using my pointer finger to apply pressure back, and then I have to hold, since it's not in the saw, I have to hold the chain down. Another trick to it is making sure you're keeping your hand level with the ground, because if you're going like this through it, that also kind of messes up the sharp. So I've kind of peeled away the first edge, and it looks okay. Yeah. I should probably keep going actually, because you can see it's
that
turned up on the corner.
Turned up on this corner.
Oh, you know what you should do first before you start is find the worst tooth and start there, because in order to prevent the saw from cutting weird directions, they all need to be the same size. That's like optimal.
Yeah.
So if you find the one that's in the worst shape, hopefully it's not too bad. This chain actually doesn't look as bad as the other one.
Yeah, good. We do have some new chains too, so like we've cycled through a couple that got really messed up.
This one actually looks okay, but like if you hit a rock,
right,
and one of them's really messed up, that's when
we hit some steel hardware, and just like took half the tooth out.
Wow. Yeah. Okay. Which one was I just on?
So now he has that nice crescent, shiny edge to him.
It's round in the gullet, and yeah, looks good.
Sweet.
And just go to town.